The present paper titled is Storage Process of the Company Maestro Home Center Chiclayo 2011-2012. This is intended not only know the storage process, but also allow for generally know all the development of the logistic company Maestro Home Center. In chapter 1 develops all definitions relating to a theme typical of a preamble that is in general knowledge. Since the beginning of human history has been one of the fundamental problems in this growth has been the production and transportation of foods and objects. As many of these objects and or foods produced in different places where you ate or were difficult to acquire. And what is logistics? Well, for Balu, logistics is part of the supply chain that plans, conducts, and controls the efficiency and storage of goods and services effective. The importance of logistics centers around the creating value for customers and suppliers of the company and shareholder value of the company. The logistic value is expressed mainly in two terms, time and place. And what is supply chain? This is the integration of the activities that shapes material and services, transform them into immediately goods and finished products, and deliver them to the customers. Then we have activities, which they are divided into. We have key activities and support activities. Now I'm going to talk about the key activities. For this, I have the customer service that sets the level of performance and degree of rapidity which must respond to logistics system. Then transport, that is essential for any modern business can operate without the movement of raw materials or finished products. Inventory management. Inventory management is the essential to logistics that will not normally be possible or not partial provide instant production or ensure delivery times to customers. And the last one, for the key activities, we have the order processing. It's an important element that is required for the client to receive their goods or services in the total time. And then we have the support activities. And for this, Balu in 2004 indicates that support activities can be just as important as the key activities. In particular circumstance, considered as contribution to the mission logistic, we have obtaining technology development, innovative product development, and process innovation. And we also have human resource management and enterprise infrastructure. Now we are going to develop Chapter 2, Maestro Home Center Business Enterprise. Maestro Home Center Peru is a leading chain in selling building materials and home improvement. The company was founded in 1893 and since 2003 changed its marketing strategy, which helps to get a fast growth to earn great market potential. Currently it has 20 stores strategically located throughout the country, 12 in Lima and 11 in other states, as Chiclayo, Trujillo, Huancayo, Ica, Cusco, Tacna, Cajamarca, 2 stores in Arequipa, and 2 stores in Piura, thus having an aggressive planned expansion in the states. We have the mission of this company. Maestro Home Center SAC seeks to improve the quality of life of its customers by providing different types of solutions for the implementation and or improvement of buildings with low prices, good and bad service required concealing. The view of this company, Maestro Home Center seeks to maintain first place in the hard work sector and industry marketing for office and home building industry, constantly creating new jobs and providing professional development to their staff's strength. The services that provide Maestro. Maestro Home Centers wants to offer a wide range of customer service to make your project a reality. So working with highly trained technicians and experience in each of the services offered. As expert advice, the departments of the organization have expert professionals who advise them have the function of construction projects or home improvement customers. Quality and warranty. All products offered are warranty manufacturing, supporting their quality and durability. Service facilities. To have knowledge of the area to install, you can ask an advisor. Product list to be installed.
Chapter 3 Process Enterprise Storage Maestro Home Center. Storage Principles. Balance. In a store should care primarily two aspects, the level of inventory and service. Each store number to be calculated for each cost resulting minimum, provided it meets all desired levels. Minimize. Displays that allow out of the store should require the most minimal effort to achieve. They should be minimized. Space. We will use the maximum available storage volume. Traffic. It depends on the frequency of currency on the moments and distance traveled. Moments indicates given the best use of available resources and the use of full loads, risks to increase staff productivity should be considered good environment conditions and security. Flexibility indicates that a warehouse design must take into account possible evolution needs to adapt in the future as new situations arise. Storage management system. The storage management system determines the criteria for selecting the material coming out of the warehouse to meet specific requests. Function of the stores. Keep the speed, accuracy, and efficiency all processed input materials in the warehouse. Quality and speed and the pickup and delivery of products. Storage functional ends where the good area low on the track or distribution. Conduct periodic reviews of storage space and volume available. Storage company Maestro Home Center. With information obtained about the storage project, then this process will detail regarding the company Maestro Home Center. The company Maestro Home Center has located its storage products in the same store sales. Maestro stores are warehouse efficiently distributed throughout its sailing, allowing maximized productivity, taking the merchandise on hand ready for sale. Planning and organization is performed as follow plan and organize activities for reception, storage, and dispatch. In order to program and control the activities of the partner offer basic planning tools such as the Gantt chart. One of the activities of the company is to establish strategies for the storage location and design automatically a storage system that can perform the storage and trivial operation with speed and accuracy under a sustained degree of automation. Reception process. Maestro Home Center makes a record of goods entered in the warehouse, which are from foreign areas and internet. Reception process in the city of Chiclayo. Performing a recording between the head of Chiclayo and Lima, chief via email, via telephone, trucks arrive from Lima with each product. To make downloading and unpacking, the staff in charge in the process come to inspect, verify and inspect the goods new cover, reporting the head of office previously. Then run a technical review with the application for the purchase, so you can make sure that material is in good condition. Otherwise, it would not enter at the time of administration or reservation. Entry are made child to deposit. Proceed to inform their arrival. Preparing a party or reservation report and income of the process, and so to map the calendar facilities. At the same instant, the load is mounted close to the respective machinery and open the van. Storage. The store manager keeps track on the stocks that through the system and check it again the receipt of the merchandise and they make a purchase request to be reviewed and verified the application is satisfied. One receive the product, mount the product load down the store. One save and reservation product warehouse manager check the products. Finally, you have the information to system position and reservation guides are sent to the secretary to be entered into the sales system to be verified. In conclusions, we have firstly handle logistic flow management, physical interest in their environment, make up or real resources necessary to the computation of the transaction and service. Secondly, the master slowly the company as a leading chain in selling building material and home improvement. And finally, the storage cycle that occurs in the company warehouse Maestro Home Center is done a certain way, need in a standardized way, where all the products that come from Lima to Chiclayo arrive with a reference guide consisting of the order that is required by technology. Thank you.